Have you ever met a man's entire family, eaten his mom's banana bread, and thought this is my future? Only to discover 8 hours later he wants a threesome with you and his cousin? That was me. 3 months with Ethan. Tall, stupidly handsome, the guy who sends "Good morning, beautiful" texts without irony, remembers I hate cilantro, and has already started leaving his hoodie at my place like it's permanent furniture. We checked every couple of boxes. Meet the friends, drinks, weekend sleepovers. The first "I miss you" text after only 4 hours apart. So when he looked at me over takeout Thai one Thursday and said, "My parents are dying to meet you. Come home with me this weekend," I didn't even think twice. I said yes before he finished the sentence. Saturday morning, Connecticut. The house is straight out of a Nancy Meyers movie. White clapboard, wraparound porch. Golden retriever losing its mind at the sight of us. His mom opens the door and hugs me so hard my sunglasses fog up. His dad greets me with a firm handshake and the line, "We've been waiting 33 years for someone like you." His little sister drags me into the kitchen, pours me rose at 11 a.m., and stage whispers, "He has literally never brought a girl home, like, ever, you're the one." I'm floating. I'm mentally designing our future Christmas card. I text my best friend under the table. I just met my in-laws, and they love me. Brunch is perfection. Mom asks about my job like she's already bragging to her book club. Dad grills steaks and tells embarrassing Little League stories. Ethan's hand never leaves my thigh under the table. At one point, his mom actually tears up and says, "I have never seen my son this happy." I almost cry into my mimosa. His dad raises a glass to finally seeing Ethan settled with someone who deserves him. I'm glowing so hard, I swear I'm radioactive. By 6 p.m., we're doing the long goodbyes. Mom stuffs 3 Tupperwares of banana bread into my arms. Dad gives me the protective, "take care of my boy" nod. Sister hugs me and slips her number into my phone for wedding planning. Ethan kisses me on the porch while the dog barks approval. I'm buzzing harder than the rose. 8 hours later, we're cruising back to the city on the dark highway. Warm summer night air whipping through the car, our R&B playlist blasting. My bare feet are on the dash, his hand high on my thigh, drawing lazy circles that make my skin spark. I'm replaying every mom hug in my head, already planning what I'll wear to Thanksgiving, when he suddenly reaches over, turns the volume down, and says dead casual, "So, random question. You've always said you're super open-minded, right? How would you actually feel about a threesome with my cousin Lauren?" The highway disappears. The music fades to static. My soul exits my body and watches from the roof of the car. He keeps talking like he just asked if I want fries with that. She's literally gorgeous, lives in Boston, total smoke show. I've had this fantasy forever, and you're the first girl I've ever trusted enough to even mention it. We could keep it super discreet, just one crazy night. I turn slowly, horror movie slow, and stare at him. He's grinning, like he just offered me courtside Knicks tickets. "Pull over." He laughs. Actually laughs. "Babe, come on, it's just an idea." Pull over right now. He takes the next exit. I grab my overnight bag, slip my heels back on, and step out at a fluorescent-lit gas station in the middle of nowhere, Connecticut. 10:47 p.m. Crickets, diesel smell. Me standing on gravel in a sundress, holding banana bread like a hostage. He's still trying to talk through the open window. "You're being dramatic. It's not even that weird. She's a second cousin, basically not related. Most girls would be flattered. My cousin thinks you're hot too." Second cousin. Victoria's secret-level cousin. Flattered. I walk away without a word. Call a $180 Uber that smells like weed and broken dreams. Switch to the 11:47 p.m. train because I need the extra hour to stop shaking. He blows up my phone the entire ride. "You're overreacting. It was just a fantasy. We can pretend I never said anything. Call me when you calm down. My mom already asked when you're coming back." I block him somewhere around Stamford. The next morning, Sunday, his mom texts me. "Had the best time with you, sweetheart. Let's do brunch in the city soon." I stare at that text for 20 solid minutes while banana breadcrumbs fall onto my lap like confetti from a funeral. Tell me, darling, when did Meet the Parents become the world's most unhinged foreplay? When did "You're the first girl I've brought home" turn into "You're the first girl I've asked to sleep with my cousin"? Because here's my ice-cold, no apology opinion. If your fantasy requires a family reunion and a DNA test, keep it in the group chat and leave me the hell out of it. If you can't get excited about me without adding a relative to the equation, the problem isn't my open-mindedness, it's your family tree having too few branches. I deserve a man whose deepest desire is me, not me plus extended relations. So, ladies, spill your wildest Meet the Parents horror stories below. Did you laugh? Cry? Take the train like I did? Because I chose the train, and honestly, best plot twist of my entire dating life, or so I thought. 3 weeks later, my phone lit up with a text from an unknown number. Hey, it's Lauren. Ethan gave me your number. Still thinking about that weekend idea? No pressure, just saying I'm free next month. Tell me in the comments. Do I reply hard pass? Or do I forward it to his mom and watch the family group chat explode? Because I haven't decided yet. And whatever I do next is going to be legendary. Thanks for watching.